Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Art of Cooking. If your kids run a mile at the word healthy, these healthy ragi chocolate chip muffins are about to become your ultimate tiffin box victory. They will think it's a cheat meal, but you will know it's packed with nutrition. We are talking absolutely zero refined flour, zero eggs, zero refined sugar and zero tedious prep work. In under 30 minutes, we are turning those overripe kitchen bananas into a superfood masterpiece, the ultimate fuss-free chocolatey muffins. Alright, let's begin now. The first step is mash 3 overripe bananas right in the bowl. Nature does the sweetening for us here. The second step is, instead of eggs or butter, whisk in half a cup of yogurt and half a cup of jaggery powder for a rich caramel flavor. The third step is, add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Because millet is dense, baking soda reacts with the acidic yogurt to release instant CO2 bubbles. That's what makes these eggless muffins super fluffy. The fourth step is, gently fold in 1 cup of ragi flour and half a cup of whole wheat atta. And here's a fun fact, ragi isn't a modern health fad. It's been grown in India for over 4,000 years. It has 3 times more calcium than milk, so eating these actually makes your kids happy. The fifth step is, toss in a handful of dark chocolate chips and half a cup of chopped walnuts. And remember the golden rule, cut and fold gently and don't overmix. Scoop the batter into muffin liners and pop them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Because these are individual muffins and not a heavy loaf, they bake in just 15 to 20 minutes. Your kitchen will smell incredible, warm jaggery, baked ragi and gooey chocolate. These are incredibly moist, perfectly sweet and come with absolute zero guilt. Pack them in the tiffin box or grab one on your way out of the door. If you love this quick healthy twist, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.